Okay, y'all, so this is the plant that I got off of Temu home decor section. As you can see, it was just one branch, and then I put the fake sea moss down in there to create this gorgeous plant. Girl, let me go ahead and put it in the corner that it belongs in. Honey, it is so freaking amazing. I absolutely love this plant right here, girl. So as you can see, I got it off Temu. I think it was only like no more than $8, obviously, right? And it was so easy to put together, as you can see. And with the styrofoam cups, let me tell you now, they kind of start like melting away in your hand, so be careful with those. You don't want to do it anywhere, probably on no white or anything like that. And the sea moss, I don't know what I thought. I guess I thought it was going to be kind of stringy, which it was, but I thought it was going to be like a lot of shake as well, and it wasn't. So I love that, love the sea moss. And there you have it, y'all. It made an absolutely amazing plant with the pieces that we got from Temu. And also, y'all know I got this vase from the thrift store. So we made this plant over here for under, oh my God, under $20, under $15. We made this amazing plant to put in our home, because y'all know we do everything on a budget, and it just adds such a nice touch to that. Y'all see it, it adds a really nice touch to that corner. Oh, y'all know we're going to be putting up some lights as well later on in the vlog, so you will be seeing that also. You know, just doing a lot of things that you can do in your home on a budget, and you don't have to spend a lot of money, baby. Temu is here for you, okay, girl? Temu is here for you. Temu is gonna have all of the home decor. So I'm gonna show you guys some other pieces that I have, and yeah, we're gonna continue this Temu furniture haul. Y'all, let me tell you right now, girl, this stool that I am sitting in right now is so comfortable, okay? I cannot believe the amazing price that we paid off of Temu. Let me tell you right now, girl, this is nowhere near sponsored. Y'all just know that we are decorating our home. It's kind of like we moving in all over again, but we've been decorating our home, and we've been wanting to test out some of the furniture and things like that that we have seen on Temu. So girl, the chair is so comfortable, it's so luxurious. As you can see, it is extremely easy to put together. Two for $118. Girl, why not try it? Go ahead and give it a try, okay? Because if you are looking to redecorate your home and you know you are trying to do it on a budget, definitely give Temu furniture a try, because you will not regret it, okay? This chair is so comfortable and is adjustable, so you can keep it like bar counter height, or you can lower it for like, I guess, regular kitchen dining table height. But I love it because we also have a, oh my God, girl, we also have a table as well, and I'm gonna show y'all that also. We honestly put this entire dining room set together for under $200. So yeah, let me go ahead and get y'all into the table next. Okay, y'all, so I already showed you all the chairs for the dining room set. This is the table. As you can see, it looks so amazing right here in our space. We don't have that much of a dining area, so we didn't want anything too big or small. Let me tell y'all, this is our third dining room table, okay, honey? We have had trial after error after we finally did it. So girl, I absolutely love this table set that we got from Temu. This is actually pretty sturdy. I love that. The chairs are really comfortable. It's so nice in our space, and as y'all can see, we just decorated it by putting this this circular mirror over it, and I just think that it looks so nice in the space with the lights and everything. So yeah, girl, I love this table. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it though. I did get some flowers off of Temu as well. Some it was under the home decor section, some cute little like puffy flowers. So we're gonna take them and put them into that black vase that you all see over there. We're gonna stuff it with these flowers and set it up here, and we're gonna see what that look like.
I can, let me hydraulics it down. Yeah.
Okay.
I like this a lot. This is very sturdy. I like this.
girl, I had to grab some wine because I'm so excited for y'all. So, okay, as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous back there in the background, y'all. We got those flowers off Temu. Y'all already know, girl, this is a full Temu home decor haul, okay, honey? So everything I'm showing y'all, if I did not get it from Temu, then girl, I probably got it from the thrift store. So the base came from the thrift store. Y'all know I spray painted that black. Looks amazing, right? And then we put the flowers in there as well, and y'all saw just the arrangements and everything, girl. It just looks so amazing, like chef's kiss in the kitchen. I am just so excited because you know, our place is just really coming along. It is really becoming that dream place that, you know, we just love to come to and everything, because honey, for this rent, baby, we gonna be here, okay? So I love it, y'all. So next we are about to go ahead and do this base. Now I was going to put that base there on the dining room table, but girl, it's too big, okay? Birth about time, I got to put the table right here and put it there, and babe and I said it, and I was like, girl, I can't see. I couldn't see almost past the base, so I knew putting the flowers in it was not about to work, okay? So we're gonna use this cute little dainty black base here, and we're just gonna go ahead and do this now, girl, because why not, right? I'm gonna just do this with y'all sitting here, and we, hold on, give me 1 second. This is so cute, girl. Honey, I done did all of that with them flowers, so let me, and then I had company, you know, y'all over here and everything, so let me wipe it down, get them table together, mind your business. So, all right, so now, girl, we are about to go ahead and, now, I got these here eucalyptus flowers from Temu as well. Now, obviously, they do not smell like it, but girl, they are so cute. Look at that. And I have really been into the eucalyptus ever since we put some in our bathroom. Girl, hold on, is that dust? Child, girl, girl, they dusty. Hold on. Girl, they dusty. I don't know what to say about that. Girl, I'm gonna have to wash my hands, girl. I hope it's not like none of that stuff. Child, I don't need them putting none of that stuff on her and then I end up passing out. And girl, oh, girl, it's still dusty. Girl, I'm finna rinse these off. Hold on 1 second. Because we cannot have, girl, wash them first. Girl, I had to wash them. Honey, not they sent them over to me dusty. But anywho, girl, they look even better now, obviously, right? Since I didn't put some water on them, girl, and I used Dawn dish liquid, what? Wait, hold on. Dishwashing liquid, yeah, that's the name for it. So now we're gonna go ahead. Hold on, girl, it's a lot of water. Gotta shake that off. Okay, we're gonna place it in here now. Hopefully, we do not have to. Let me see if I can bend it a little bit. Okay, I think it's working. Yeah, there we go. Well, I did it, and it looks amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's a little wet, but don't pay that any attention. Hold on, let me dry it off. Okay, girls, so this is the finished product right here, honey. Okay, it is absolutely gorgeous, and we'll replace it right here. Girl, I love it. So head on over to Temu, honey, for all of your bougie on a budget home decor finds. Like I said, this is not sponsored. Temu did not pay me to say any of these things. I'm shocked myself, baby, that these stools look this amazing, and then this table, y'all, and then just topping it off with this cute just little piece of decorum. Y'all know I got this vase, girl, I don't even remember where I got it from, but you could probably get something similar to this from the Dollar Tree for like $1.25. Get you some black spray paint that, and then just add you some greenery. Y'all know I'm gonna add the link for everything that I am showing you in the video down in the description, so go check it out. We have like 2 more pieces, and then we are going to be done with this Temu home decor haul. So let me go ahead and grab everything else, girl, and I'll be right back with y'all. Girls, so I'm thinking that, of course, we're going to put it right here. Oh, it's trying to clip onto my hair right there with the handle just showing just a little bit. I want the flowers to kind of touch the glass. Y'all know this is our DIY mirror wall that I absolutely love, honey, because everything in the house, girl, is bougie on the budget, honey. So yes, that is cute right there. And then just this little piece of greenery right here. Okay, girl, we have one more thing that we need to put up. We have some amazing lighting fixtures that we're going to put over the mirror wall, and we're going to put over the canvas wall art as well. So let's go ahead and do those, girl. Obviously it goes without saying, right? Girl, is it not amazing? Like, look at this vase with this plant in it. How gorgeous is that, girl? Like, it is the perfect size. I'm about to go ahead and put it in its area where it's gonna be. So let's get into it. Okay, so the plant, obviously y'all know we got it from Temu, and this is just one branch as well, just like the other plant. And we just finished it off with the leftover sea moss that we had. Y'all know this vase came from the thrift store. It is this gorgeous black elephant. Oh, girl, this is gorgeous. Okay, vase, and I think we paid like $8 for this, and then this was, I think, like $4. So what a beautiful piece to put in your home for under $15. It's amazing. So girl, let me go ahead and put it where it belongs. Okay, girl, so I don't know if y'all remember or not, but a few vlogs back I showed you guys this really cute DIY burl that I made with the matte black paint. So we're gonna take the same eucalyptus leaves that we got from Temu, and we're gonna go ahead and just put them in here because that's what I wanted to do originally with this. I didn't know if I wanted to put flowers in it or not, but I figured putting eucalyptus leaves just will look really cute in this vase. So let's see what that looks like, girl. And they acting like they don't want to go down in there, but you know me, I'm gonna force it, child, and then we gonna blouse it out because we don't want anything too crazy. Just a little bit of greenery coming out of it, and I think that is cute. Yeah. Yes. And so just something that looks like that, you know, nothing too much, because I'm just looking to add little touches of greenery and pretty flowers throughout our home, but I don't want to go, you know, out every single weekend to a farmer's market. Although, don't get it twisted, honey, your girl love a good farmer's market, okay? But, you know, I just wanted some pieces that, you know, would just be like, I guess, everlasting here in the home when it comes to our home decor. So, girl, this is gorgeous, honey. So let's go ahead and put it in its permanent home. I absolutely love this piece as well, girl. I mean, it's almost giving like real eucalyptus leaves, right? Especially after we washed it, honey, because they was dingy as hell. But girl, let's go ahead and put it in its spot. Okay, y'all, so one of the last things that I want to show you all in this Temu home decor review haul, girl, which I absolutely love filming. I love all of the Temu home decor that we have here in our home, y'all. It just really brought, as you can see, a really nice upscale elevated look to our home decor, which I love. But one of the last things I wanted to show you all is the lighting. So we put in these lighting fixtures that I love, and as you can see, they just add a really nice touch to the home. They are battery operated as well, so that was nice. It was not a big girl, hold on, it was not a huge price tag at all. I think they were under like $20. I think it was like $16 for these spotlights. And what I love is you can change them. So this is the white, and then they have a nude white as well, where you can change it and it's a different color. And that's just like a little whiter, which is really cute. And then they have one more that I want to show you all as well, which is like a blue light. I hope that it really comes off. Let me turn off the ring light so that you guys can get a real feel for it. Girl, I thought I was gonna cut off the ring light, but that did not work because y'all were not gonna be able to see me at all. But as you can see, us putting up the ring lights, it was extremely easy. They come with these like little sticky things that once you place it on the wall, it is there to stay, and we really wanted ours to be secure, so we also put a nail in it as well. And girl, I absolutely love it. I love just how it really elevated everything in our home. The canvas wall art that we did, that was a DIY project, y'all, it just looks so amazing. It is so beautiful. Putting lighting over any type of wall art, wall fixture will definitely just bring it to life. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed filming it. I was opening up the things and decorating as I was filming for you all, so it was my first time seeing it as well. And girl, I am at awe, okay? I absolutely love the new in-home decor pieces that we got from Temu. Girl, like I said, this is not sponsored, so this is my honest review regarding the pieces. And girl, definitely happy with the purchases that we made. So yeah, girl, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Girl, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about all my amazing home decor updates that I absolutely love. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.